Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this brand new JKU Cordless Grease Gun. This is a grease press set with two 4-hour batteries. This is a 2-in-1 12,000 PSI electric grease press with a battery and a highly efficient 5.3 OZ per minute grease press for lubricating nipple with 100 centimeter hose and a 90 degrees mouthpiece. Longer runtime without interruption. Because this battery grease press comes with two powerful 4-hour batteries and offers significantly more runtime than under standard models with 2-hour. And on top, it's compatible with the Makita 18-volt batteries. Ideal for a workshop, for the yard and the mobile use without a socket. And for stack lubrication nipples. This electric grease press for lubrications delivers up to 12,000 PSI high pressure and ensures a reliable lubrication even with the clogged lubrication points. That's easy for tractors, our agricultural mechanic, machinery, trucks, construction machines, and vehicles. If you're a professional performance for demanding maintenance work. And thanks to the two select level performance modes, this grease press comes with batteries adapted to any lubrication tasks. Simply turn and change, save the time and significantly reduce the effort required during the regular maintenance. And of course, the 90 degrees mouthpiece facilitates access to narrow lubrication points. The quick coupling sits securely on the lubrication nipple and minimizes the fat loss. Integrated LED light comes with a gear torch, and the shoulder strap and the hose holder ensures a comfortable working with the grease press for lubricating the nipples of your devices. And this cartridge, all loosened greases are possible. It's suitable for a 400 gram of grease cartridge. This is the NLGI number 2, as well as a loose grease. Included in delivery are the grease press, 4-hour batteries, a charger, 100 centimeter flex hose and a 90 degrees adapter, 3 mouthpieces and a gloves. Yeah, shoulder strap and a transport case. That's ready for use immediately. The only thing we will need is grease, of course. Oh yeah. We can rely on it. 12,000 HP. 2-in-1 design. Highly efficient and effortless operation. For a lot of possible different machines with a powerful motor. 12,000 PSI pressure, automatic locking knob, an after cooling system, a bright LED, a double sealing thread, a comfortable non-slip handle, which we can use as a gun, the shape, or as a bolt shape. Wow, 12,000 PSI pressure power. It's a 2-in-1 mode as you need it. Straight handle for a tight, hard-to-reach nipple, or a pistol grip for better control of a long mission. And dual fill options with a fat 14-ounce tube or the fat in a container. All is possible. House detangling, ready to use immediately, protect from damage, and easy to carry. All this brings us together. This really cool device for professionals. The JKU Cordless Grease Press set with all what we need. Batteries, a good device, and a lot of nipple detail stuff included. 100 centimeter hose and 90 degrees mouthpieces, all in one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.